I know my car. Oh yeah, I know my car. It's enough. That's enough. I mean, it got 3 gallons left. Yeah. It got 3 gallons left. I'm gonna make it. It had just got right there when I got to the track. You say, what kind of car is it? Chevy Caprice, 2015. Grease real. Look out, look out. Yeah, I know my. So much. I'm ready to let grandma drive it. I want to see what she gonna say about it when I let my grandma drive. Damn, hear that supercharger now. That was the spot where you could speed. That ain't no laws right there. Because the laws don't be right there because you got the opportunity to exit the highway and go to another jurisdiction. Yeah, you can go to another jurisdiction, so. I know my car. At least y'all gonna know that it's a real street car that can actually do this, you know what I'm saying? But you know you ain't getting no limit. No limit. Somebody said that speedo broke. I bet you think so. So they move quick. without me even having to push the gas enough to go back up here. That's one of my favorite things I like. Time tonight. Good live with all y'all. We've been rolling. Only need a twitch of the toe to accelerate. I don't even push it back to up here. Nothing. I don't even push it back there, man. It's ready to go. If y'all want to see more pulls on it, y'all check out my YouTube channel. I just went live. Race somebody, beat somebody. All that on the live. So y'all make sure y'all get on there and subscribe, man. One time for the one time. Y'all get on that channel, subscribe. Make sure y'all hit the like button so we can let other people know. Yes sir, yes sir. All y'all have y'all a good one. Have y'all a good one, man.